Beth and welcome to teachersinbox.com. Welcome to our second day of our homeschooling with the kids. In today's video, your children will learn more animal names, do more actions, produce the m sound, and blend the a and the m sounds. I will still be using a TPR method of teaching, or the total physical response. If you want to know what is this total physical response method of teaching, please go over my previous video and see the brief description about this method. If this is your first time in this channel, please consider to click the subscribe button or the bell notification for more video updates. Let's review our animals. Tell me, what animal is it? A fish. That's right. What animal is it? A bird. Good. What animal is it? A kangaroo. Very good. Now this time we are going to learn new names of animals. Now listen. A cat. A cat. A dog. A dog. A rabbit. A rabbit. A koala. A koala. This time, repeat after me. A cat. Again, a cat. A dog. Again, a dog. A rabbit. A rabbit. A koala. A koala. Good job. Now this time, all by yourselves. Tell me, what animal is it? A cat. Very good. What animal is it? A dog. Very good. What animal is it? A rabbit. Excellent. What animal is it? A koala. Perfect. Now tell me, is this a cat? No, that's right. Is this a kangaroo? No. What animal is it? Very good. Is this a kangaroo? No. Is this a cat? No. Is this a dog? No. What animal is it? That's right, a fish. What animal is it? Very good. Is this a kangaroo? No. Is this a fish? No. Is this a rabbit? No. Is this a koala? Yes. What animal is it? That's right, a koala. What animal is it? Very good, a koala. Let's do chanting. A cat, a cat. It is a cat. A kangaroo, a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. A koala, a koala. It is a koala. A rabbit, a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Let's do pointing. I'm going to say an animal and point the animal and say the animal's name. Are you ready? Point at A cat. That's right. A kangaroo. A dog. A rabbit. A fish. A koala. Let's do action. Everybody shake. What are you doing? Say shaking. Shaking. Clap. What are you doing? Clapping. Say it with me. Clapping. Shaking. Say it with me. Shaking. Everybody wave. What are you doing? Waving. Say it with me. Waving. Let's learn new action. Look at me. Jumping. Jumping. Walking. Walking. Running. Running. This time, do the action with me. Everybody jump. Say jumping. Jumping. Walk. Say walking. Walking. Run. Say running. 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 Again. Jumping. Walking. Running. Running. All by yourselves. You jump. What are you doing? Say jumping. What are you doing? Keep on jumping. What are you doing? Jumping. You walk. Keep on walking. What are you doing? Walking. Again. Walking. Run. What are you doing? Running. What are you doing? Running. Now let's do chanting. Jumping, jumping, I am jumping. Walking, walking, I am walking. Running, running, I am running. Shaking, shaking, I am shaking. Waving, waving, I am waving. Walking, walking, I am walking. Let's review our sound. Tell me, what sound is it? That's right. What sound? Very good. Again, what sound? Is it Yes. What sound? I feel so happy when you read me. I feel so happy when you read me. I feel so happy when you read me. We are going to learn a new sound. This sound is again. Say the sound with me. Say the sound with me. Is it No. What sound? That's right. Is this Yes, that's right. Is it What animal is it? A koala, that's right. Is this What animal is it? A kangaroo, that's right. Is this What sound? Very good. Now let's do blending. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? That's right. M. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Good job. Let's give ourselves one big clap. Let's do pointing game. Point at the sound I'm going to say and say the sound. Get ready. Point at A. Say the sound. A. Point at M. Say the sound. M. Point at M. Point at A. This time, point at the word I'm going to say. Get ready. Say the word. Point at Ma. Say the word. Ma. Perfect! Thank you for staying with me and see you for our next homeschooling